But not all frogs are as harmless as they seem. This is the red and blue poison dart frog. A small amphibian found in Costa Rica's wet tropical forests. At first glance, its bright skin with striking red and blue hues might seem merely beautiful. However, it serves as a warning sign. The poison dart frog secretes an extremely potent toxin through its skin. It protects them from predators to the point that it can be dangerous to humans. They are called dart frogs because certain indigenous tribes used to apply their venom to arrow tips, making them more lethal for hunting. Another fascinating yet dangerous frog, the green and black poison dart frog. Its vibrant colors and bold pattern serve as a warning to